Imagine living in a home where tall trees, a reflecting pool, and a stone garden quietly flow into the interior every day. That's the experience offered by Banánka House, a single-story residence with a Y-shaped floor plan that opens fully to the surrounding landscape, connecting indoor and outdoor spaces with fluidity. Located on the outskirts of the village of Banka in Slovakia, the house is set at the end of a peaceful, lush valley. The Y-shaped layout creates three wings that extend at 120-degree angles, carefully positioned to avoid existing trees and divide the lot into smaller garden segments. The smallest of the wings houses the entrance, technical areas, and a covered carport. At the heart of the house lies the central hall, functioning as the main axis connecting the wings. On one side is the kitchen, on the other the living room, with the dining area positioned at the center. Crushed stones contained in galvanized mesh gabions extend from the exterior into the interior. A climate-controlled glass wine cellar is part of the living area. A fireplace set against a stone wall anchors the space. Large sliding glass panels are recessed into the walls, allowing the hall to open completely to the covered terrace, merging interior and exterior into one continuous space. The terrace includes a summer kitchen with a grill and an outdoor dining area facing the garden. A stream runs along the edge of the property, beside a dense deciduous forest that borders the site both at the access road and the rear. The lot offers a rare condition, complete privacy among mature trees and established vegetation. The interior layout follows the Y-shaped structure, all organized around the central hall. This configuration ensures privacy for the primary suite and wellness area, which is separated from the children's bedrooms and the study and meditation space. The home's orientation maximizes natural sunlight in the social areas. The interior, largely free of decorative objects, is defined by custom-built furniture, beds, and a modular sofa that can be reconfigured as needed. The name Banánka refers to a female resident of Banka, with Banánk being the male equivalent. The atmosphere here is centered on relaxation and contemplation, with a clear separation between the parents' and children's private zones. The structure is solid and expressive, made of exposed concrete slabs and walls cast in ribbed wooden formwork. Wood, stone, and glass complete the raw, natural palette. The primary suite features a walk-in closet and a spacious bathroom. This wing connects to a small terrace with a hot tub and a cold plunge pool by the stream. Each room enjoys a unique view toward a private corner of the garden. The windows feature ultra-thin frames and can be fully retracted into the walls to maximize visual and spatial connection to the outside. Discreet, austere, and deeply connected to the landscape, Banánka House turns everyday life into continuous contemplation of nature.